Neil's Vacuum and Sewing Center. We're with you every stitch of the way.
Hi, it's Caryl with Neil's Vacuum and Sewing, back again with our next Fun Fact Friday. Today I wanted to show you a new take on the 10-minute table runner, being a little bit more creative. For this project, you again will need just your half yard for your backing, and then you're going to cut 2.5-inch strips of two colors, and then one strip 4.5 inches of another color, and you're going to sew those together just like this. So now the next step, we're going to make a tube from that strip, and you'll just simply bring your outside edges together and sew a 1/4 inch of seam all the way down. We're not going to turn it on this time, but let me show you how to cut it. Now that we've created the tube and pressed it flat, we are going to start cutting it. And what you will need is a 9.5 or 9-inch square ruler with a 45-degree angle on it. It can be anything that has a 45-degree as long as it's that large. The next thing we're going to do is lay the 45-degree angle along our top seam line and cut this off. And that's going to be discarded on the first piece. Then we're going to lay our ruler with the 45-degree angle at the bottom seam line and make that cut. And we're just going to continue doing that until you have the entire strip cut. So the next one, again, you would lay here at the top seam line and cut. And the next one you would bring it down to the bottom and cut. And let me show you how that turns out. So those 3 squares or triangles that I cut, you can see as you open them up how they're going to look. And you're going to get every other one, this point is going to be the opposite color because of the stripping that we did. So let me show you how you can put those together. So you can take your squares and lay them out with all the centers being the same, like this. And again, then you would sew those in pairs. You would sew these two together, flip them up, and sew the seam across. And that would make your square for your table runner. Just a little note to let you know that you can do a lot of different things with this. You could all turn them the other way if you so desired and make a totally different looking block. So once you've created your 3 blocks, you just simply sew them end to end together, and then on each end of them you're going to want to sew a 10 3/4 by 7-inch piece across each end, and that will complete the length you will need. So once you've got that piece made, the assembly of it is exactly like we showed you last week on the 10-minute table runner. If you happen to miss the 10-minute table runner video, you can go back and watch it on our Neil's Facebook page. So once you've got that all together, your table runner will look similar to this. So we hope you have enjoyed this, and until next time, happy sewing.
Vacuum and Sewing Center. We're with you every stitch of the